What if the version of yourself you're most proud of is the one keeping you from love? I built this fierce, untouchable version of myself, never vulnerable, never hurt. There he was, my old self, strong, protected, scarred but surviving. Part of me missed him. For years he kept me safe. No one could hurt me, because no one could reach me. I found myself drawn back to that old armor. It felt familiar, safe, like coming home to a prison I'd decorated myself. But sitting with him, I realized he wasn't protecting me anymore. He was protecting everyone else from me. Staying in that fortress, behind those walls, that was the real betrayal. I was betraying every person who tried to love the real me. Sometimes the thing we think is protecting us is the very thing keeping us from the life we actually want. The strongest thing I ever did wasn't building those walls. It was walking away from them. What version of yourself are you holding on to that's keeping love at arm's length? What fierce protector do you need to leave behind?